Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all. Now today on my channel, I wanted to share how to manifest anything you want in life. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, this technique I'm about to share with y'all is very ancient. In fact, a lot of people even use it today unconsciously. But the real power in what I'm about to tell you is when you are conscious of what you're doing and you applying it to your life, your goals, and things you want to happen. Now, in order to manifest anything you want in life, you have to get in contact with your higher self, aka God, right? Man made God so we could understand infinite intelligence. Right? God is within everybody. God is within me and you, man and woman. God is within every living organism on this planet, right? And the thing about humans, though, is that we have an intellect. So we could, communicate with this intelligent species or force, whatever you want to call it, energy that manifested us. You know what I'm saying? The universe, it's not outer space, it was really inner space. It happened, it like birthed itself. The universe birthed itself. From out of darkness came light, you know what I'm saying? And I'm about to teach y'all how to communicate with this infinite intelligence, this force everybody has within them. You know what I'm saying? So, in order to communicate with this, you got to influence what's called the subconscious mind. Now, how do you influence your own subconscious mind? Because everybody has a subconscious mind that, records every memory you have, that stores, all your beliefs about yourself, your strong points, your weak points, and that reminds you, that plays both sides, the little voice here. Everybody has a subconscious mind, right? And this is like your subconscious mind. Just to give you another example, it's like when you can drive and you just know how to drive, and you're not really thinking about the process. But you know how to drive. That's a memory stored in your subconscious mind. Now, how do you influence the subconscious mind? Right? Now that's what we're about to talk about today. This is the game I'm about to give out to you. This is the key. Now, you influence the subconscious mind through pictures and through your inner voice. The images you hold within your brain about yourself, about your life, about what you're going, what you want out of life, where you headed, you know what I'm saying? The images you hold in your brain, they are communicating something to the subconscious mind all of the time. Whether they're limiting beliefs or whether they're, very powerful affirmations that you're holding in your brain. Now, let me teach y'all this little method, right? Let me teach y'all this method. Now, y'all see this symbol? Everybody know this symbol, right? This is the Adidas symbol. This is the Adidas symbol. Now, I want you to stare at this symbol, right? Stare at this symbol and close your eyes and hold the image. Capture the image of this symbol right here and close your eyes. Now you should be able to see a light image of this Adidas logo within your mind's eye. If you're able to see this Adidas logo within your mind's eye, a light image, you can create anything you want in life. You can create anything you want in life. You have to use creative visualization. You have to use this part of your brain. You see that? How you can look at this image and then you can see the whole outline of it. You can see an image. You can make it small, you can make it big. You know what I'm saying? And it's like a light blue-ish image of this, right? Out of the darkness comes the light, right? If you could do that, you could see this with anything in your life. You have to communicate with infinite intelligence. And just to show you another example of what I'm talking about, You can see yourself, you can close your eyes right now. You can see yourself as a chef. You can see yourself as a successful entrepreneur. You can close your eyes right now, man or woman. You can see yourself in the NBA, going crazy, just dunking on people. Oh. You can see, yourself with your significant other on a trip. So you can visualize everything, anything you want. You can close your eyes and for a brief moment you see this light image of it. You know what I'm saying? And depending on how good you are with this, you can see the full-blown color. You can see a full-blown color, when you close your eyes. Now, that's the first way. And just so I can just to remind y'all, when you practice what I'm about to tell y'all, it's gonna invoke so much emotion in you that your higher self is gonna conspire through people, places, and things. People, places, and things to manifest in your life, right? It's gonna use all of this stuff energetically around you. Different people, you're gonna be at the right place at the right time. Somebody gonna tell you something, that you need to know, and you're gonna act on it. You're gonna meet somebody and be in just this different opportunity. That's what happens when you practice what I'm about to tell y'all. Now, first step, the image. If you can close your eyes and get the image of this Adidas logo in your mind, and you can see the light blue image of this in your mind, you can create anything in the world. All you gotta do is focus on it and see yourself in that spot, in that vision. You gotta go within that dark space and create that light. Now, the next thing you gotta do is get the inner voice right. Once you get the inner voice right, it's a wrap. Once you get the inner voice right, it's a wrap. I'm telling you right now. Now, what's the inner voice? Let's say this is an Adidas logo. Let's say Adidas. Now, say Adidas without speaking. Now, you heard yourself say Adidas. Your ears didn't hear the sound, the vibration. Your mouth didn't move, but you can close your mouth and you can sit here and be like, you can say Adidas over and over and over again on your mind. And you hear it. Now, what is that? That's your higher self in a whole nother dimension creating. So, when you want to influence this world, we want to influence your environment. You want to go within that voice and you want to affirm everything you want to happen. You want to affirm yourself in the greatest state of health, wealth, prosperity, abundance. You want to see yourself, you want to speak so highly of yourself in that mode. No words. It's no words. You don't have to sit in the mirror and affirm. You go within. You go within that quiet, that darkness, and create that light. You know what I'm saying? God said, let there be light. For he was talking from the dark. You know what I'm saying? Like the universe imploded. You know what I'm saying? It created itself. You know what I'm saying? It's not outer space. That's inner space. So, yeah, man. This information, when you practice this, getting your vision right, through creative visualization, and getting that inner voice right. The voice where you could be like YON WORLD. You can say YON WORLD and not even say it. That's what you gotta get. That's what you gotta control, that inner voice, because it's talking 24/7. When you're around people you don't know, you just in your higher self, you just talking this, you just looking at this, you just talking in your mind 24/7. You know what I'm saying? So you want to use that in the correct manner, though. In the correct manner, when you You plotting, you planning, you strategize, you encouraging yourself, you motivating, you telling your higher self, we about to do this, we about to do that. You know what I'm saying? You getting in deep, and when you do this, once you have the vision, that inner light vision, and that voice, once you have that voice of your higher self within you, and you can control these two, it will invoke so much emotion within you. All of the energy, all of these little particles all around us, we all connected to. The higher self, it literally manipulate the reality to you gonna meet somebody that you need to meet. You gonna fuck around, have the funds that you need for the shit to go down. You gonna, the last moment you just got the opportunity to do exactly what you needed to do. You have to stay in communication though with this. And a lot of people are in communication with this, but they just use it wrong. And the thing about this, like I said, just as you can see yourself as successful as motherfucking Bill Gates, you could trick your higher self into thinking you want to be poor, or to thinking you want less, by entertaining those thoughts, entertaining those visions. So I just want people to understand, man, like your mind and your motherfucking word, your inner vision, and that inner voice is powerful. That's what connect you to God, man. That's what connect you back to God, man. And you can manifest anything you want. You get your vision and your voice on the same page, because it's going to evoke emotion. And that emotion is energy. It's going to energetically charge your fucking surroundings. So the things you want happen. That's why people that's truly successful at the shit they want, they are obsessive with this creative visualization and this voice in their head, and they just continue. They know it can happen because they getting internal confirmation. They literally seeing the picture. They literally hearing the voice speaking. They hearing the being speak, like as if it was happening right now. So it's creating emotion. It's making them, inspired. It's making them do shit. That's connecting the dots. It's moving the progress along, and they seeing the results they want, and everything is coming full circle. Now, that's my video for today. I hope y'all learned something from it. It's your boy, YON WORLD. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.